blowing hot air. Guys, I have an idea. Let's try a new hack with this duvet cover.
First, lay the duvet cover out on the floor.
Make sure the duvet cover is on the same side as the fans.
Get your fans set up just the right way, and then plug them in.
Let's power this up.
Put the duvet covers on top of the fan, and enjoy.
See guys, these fans are great. Whoa, it's like an igloo in here.
Whoa! I want to try!
No, me next.
Hey June, can I get a drink?
Can I have one too? Yeah, sure. Whoa, it's so cool. How'd you keep it cold? I just use this to keep it cold.
Oh, what is that?
It's an Orbeez ice pack.
Oh, let me hold it. Whoa. Oh, sorry.
Don't worry, I have plenty. They're so easy to make. First, prep some Orbeez. Grab a funnel and a balloon. And pour your Orbeez into the funnel. Now fill the balloon up with water. Make sure to put it in the freezer overnight. Now you have your Orbeez ice pack.
Cheers! Oh man, I got ice cream on my shirt again.
Oh, that's okay. I know just the remedy.
Just grab your press and seal and use it as a bib.
There you go. Now you won't get any messier.
Oh, thanks. Oh man, this is super thick. Oh, it's so hard to blend in.
I have just the thing.
First, apply your sunscreen. Then use your thick brush to blend it in.
See? It blended in easily. Here, give it a try.
Wow, that works great. Thanks, Lily.
No problem. Ow! I just got bit by a mosquito.
Lily, I made this mosquito repellent. Here.
Ooh. Oh, how'd you make it?
Yeah, so first I grabbed an empty bottle. I added an ounce of mouthwash and poured it into the bottle. Then I added a ½ ounce of dish soap, a ½ ounce of apple cider vinegar, poured that in, and fill the rest of it with water. And that's how I made my bug spray. Do you smell that?
Oh, Max.
Oh, sorry, I had to run today.
Oh, I know just a hack for that.
Grab a bunch of Orbeez. Get a mason jar with a cutout lid. Pour your Orbeez into the mason jar. Grab your favorite essential oil, then add 10 to 15 drops to your Orbeez. And now you have a scented Orbeez diffuser.
There. Now it smells fresh in here.
Oh, I knew I should have put sunblock on.
I know just the thing.
Grab an aloe vera leaf. Cut the ends off and then the sides. Then cut the aloe vera out. Place the aloe in the mold.
Wow, Lily, it's working! And it's cooling!
The sun is drying out my hair.
I know! Here, try this. I made it myself. First, I added 4 ounces of distilled water. Then I added 1 ounce of 100% aloe vera gel. Next, I poured in 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. And last, I added 5 drops of lavender oil. Now your hair is protected from the sun.
Ooh. Whoa, it's working. My hair feels so much softer. Thanks, June.
It's so hot!
I know, I'm craving a tall glass of lemonade.
Oh, lucky for you guys, I have pink lemonade.
So good, what's your recipe?
Oh, it's easy. First, you need lemons, limes, and pink lemonade.
Cut the lemons into thin slices, then do the same to the limes. Add water to a silicone muffin pan. Add a lemon and lime to each mold. Then leave it in the freezer overnight. Once they're frozen, add them to a pitcher. Pour in some pink lemonade. Now you have a refreshing summer drink. It's ready to serve.
Thanks, Lily. Yeah.
Guys, it's so hot.
Luckily, I packed this.
What's that?
It's an Orbeez cooling scarf.
Oh wow, it really works!
Cool. Where can I get one of those?
It's super easy. All you need is a ton of Orbeez.
First, grab some packing balloons. Then, cut one end and fill with Orbeez. Seal the bags with a flat iron. Grab a pair of stockings and cut one of the ends off. And finally, sew it together. Ta-da!
Now they're nice and chilled. Here you go, June. I got an extra one.
Awesome.
Let's go to the pool. All right.
Come on, Mom. Let's go play. Okay. Let's go over there. Ha! Where's my stuff? Oh, how are we gonna get home?
All you need is a diaper and a bag.
Come on, Mom. Let's go play. Wait. Let me hide her stuff first.
Use the diaper to disguise all your belongings.
Oh, good idea, Mom. Let's go play now. Okay.
Now let's see what happens next.
Heads up, Mom.
It looks like the hack works. Are you guys enjoying the videos? Hit the like button down below. You have 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, done! Thank you. Now let's get back to the video.
What are you doing, Mom?
Lily! What?
To make a safety doorstop, all you need is a pool noodle. Use a pair of scissors to cut off the 12-inch portion of the pool noodle. Now cut vertically along the pool noodle. Place the portion you just cut along the door.
That's such a good idea, Mom.
And Mom saves the day again.
Here, Mom, catch. Oh, nice throw, Sweedee. Your turn. Ow!
Ow, my heel! Oh no! It hurts so bad!
Excessive sweating and exercise can cause irritation on the skin. An easy home remedy would be cornstarch and some gauze.
Let me go get some supplies. I'll be right back. Okay. Don't worry, I'm back, Lily.
Be sure to use the clean gauze to apply the cornstarch to the affected area.
I'm gonna clean your boo-boo now, okay, Lily? Okay, Mom, be careful.
The cornstarch will help the affected area while also reducing the friction inside the shoe.
Okay, Lily, that should help it not happen again. Thanks, Mom. I think the bleeding stopped. Mom, now we can play again. We sure can.
The following hacks and remedies can help you as a parent.
Oh, why is this so heavy? Ah! Oh, my new shoes are all wet. I was gonna go out tonight. Now I can't. Oh, I'm so sorry, honey. Oh, wait. I have a solution. All you need is cat litter and socks. What? Cat litter? What's that going to do? You'll see. Just give me your shoes. Okay. Here you go. Don't worry. I'll get started right away. And now just fill the sock up. Now just put in the shoe. Here you go, Stacy. Just leave the socks in the shoes and they'll be dry by tonight. Thanks, Mom. You're the best. Now back to cleaning. Come on, Stacy. Just try it on. Mom. Oh, you look great, honey. Huh? Oh, this sweater made my hair so staticky. Oh, it is, isn't it? Hey,
I know how to get rid of static with water. First, spray some water onto your hand. Wipe your hair with your fingers and the water will get rid of the static. Is my hair back to normal? Yes, honey, it looks great.
Cool, but do I really have to wear this?
Yes, Grandma made it.
Oh.